Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can change language on a Zkteco software. It's very easy thing to do. If you use any Zkteco software, then how you can change language on it. For this, I'm using GSmart app. First, open the app and log into your account. Then you will see this page. From from the bottom right, you will see an option Me. It's your profile section. Just tap on it. Then here you will redirect it to this page, and from here select the settings icon from the top right. Now here you will see a bunch of options. From here you will see multilingual debug mode. Then you will see a bunch of languages. Select your preferred language. Now it will be changed in your selected language, and if you want to change it again, then follow these steps again and it will be changed like before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.